Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is the hypersensitivity reaction. This hypersensitivity reaction is the very important process in our immune system. Let's start. In a particular condition cases, the immune system to overreact. If the splitting more this definition, when the cells are affecting with the some factors, the automatically the cell will be go overreact. This process also called the hypersensitivity reaction. Best example, allergies and bee stings and asthma. What will happen in the particularly in the hypersensitivity reaction? I will tell you one best example. We are going on the road. We are going on the road. Automatically, we know our roads have the very polluted from the traffic. So if the traffic in the traffic the some some dust will be we are observed from the nose. When this dust go to into the our body, this dust affect with some cells. Automatically, we will get asthma. If the any patients, if any asthma patients have, automatically when observed in these dust allergies, then automatically asthma takes place. And similarly, bee stings. Um, if if bees are stings to us, automatically we will get some skin rashes. We will get skin rashes. This is the called the hypersensitivity reaction. What will the result of the hypersensitivity reaction? The result of the tissue damage. We know bee stings. If the bee stings to us, automatically the tissue damages or cell damages. Even death also possible. So it is the skin rashes and the bee stings. Hypersensitivity reactions are two types. First of all, immediate hypersensitivity, and second one delayed type hypersensitivity. In the immediate hypersensitivity, what will happen? The result will be given very quickly. So that's why we are calling the immediate hypersensitivity reactions. In the hypersensitivity, what will happen in the cells? Antibodies are antigens antibodies complex that takes place after the in the takes place after the result gives to us quickly. In the delay type hypersensitivity means it is gives the very it is takes place more time for normal. So that's why we are calling the delay type hypersensitivity reactions. For best example, graft rejections and the immediate hypersensitivity, best example to skin allergies, asthma. So it is the types of the immediate types of the hypersensitivity reactions. Hypersensitivity reactions classification based on the time. Already I told you click reactions and delay reactions. Hypersensitivity reactions are two types. In the first, immediate hypersensitivity reactions and a delayed hypersensitivity reaction. And similarly, these immediate hypersensitivity reactions are two types again. Antibody antibody mediated hypersensitivity reaction, and the second one antibody and antigen mediated hypersensitivity reaction. These antibody mediated reactions also two types: hypersensitivity reaction 1, type 2 hypersensitivity reaction 2. Similarly, antibody and antigen reaction is the class split with the more type 3 reactions. And the last one, delayed hypersensitivity reaction, is called the type 4 reaction. So we will know each one: type 1 reaction, type 2 reaction, type 3 reaction, type 4 reaction. What will happen in this particularly type reactions? Let's so before going, we will know what will happen in the particularly in this reaction. What cells are the participating in this hypersensitivity reaction? Let's find. Hypersensitivity reactions are four types. Already I told you, type 1 and type 2 and type 3, type 4. In the type 1 is the immediate hypersensitivity reaction. It is gives the quick result. And second one is the cytotoxic hypersensitivity. Here the cytotoxic cells are participating in these reactions. And type 3 immunocomplex hypersensitivity reaction. In this type 3 reactions, the immunocomplexes are formed. Based on these immunocomplexes, the hypersensitivity reactions takes place. That's why we are called the complex hypersensitivity reaction. And type 4, the cell mediate hypersensitivity reaction. Here mainly the cell mediate hypersensitivity means here macrophages are participating in the type 4 reaction. That's why we are called the cell mediate hypersensitivity reactions. Now what will happen, what will result of the hypersensitivity reaction. Let's see, type 1 we know already, IgE antibodies are participating and quickly gives the result, example bee stings and punnets and latex and etc etc. Type 2 also hemolytic reactions, Gann-Faström syndrome, hypercraft graft rejection, and type 3 also serum sickness and systematic lupus erythematosus, and type 4 is the chronic graft rejection. Like some different example for the hypersensitivity reactions. Let's go what will happen in the type. First one is type 1 hypersensitivity reactions. Also, we are called the IgE mediated hypersensitivity reactions. Means here the IgE antibodies are participating in these reactions. That's why we are called the anti-IgE antibodies mediated hypersensitivity reaction. It is a whole diagram for the understanding of the type 1 reactions. What will happen here particularly? I think you are little bit. I think it is little bit complicated, but if you are understanding, it is very easy. Allergens means the antigens. In these hypersensitivity reactions, we have to call the allergens. These allergens are came from the outside. It is these allergens bind with the antibodies, B cells of antibodies. When the bind with the antibodies, it is undergo to the phagocytosis, and it is the B cell activations. B cells activations takes place from the Th helper cell mediated. After the activation of the B cell, it is produced the memory cells and plasma cells, and these plasma cells have the antibodies. These plasma cell produce the antibodies. These antibodies for these specific allergens. That's why we are called the allergen specific antibodies, also IgE. It means IgE. That's why that's why we are called the allergen specific antibodies, IgE. These IgE antibodies bind with the Fc receptor of the mast cell. What is the Fc receptor? Means the Fc full form is the fragment of the crystallizable. It is the see black color. When this Fc receptor bind with this IgE antibodies, after this bind to the antibodies, again it is come to the antigen or the allergen in the cross linked between the antibodies. Here cross linked is present. After the cross linked, the cell will be go the degranulation. Degranulation means it is produce the vascular amines or the cytokinins, some of the histamines of the protease. These all cytokinins, see blue color, these all cytokinins are affected to the smooth muscle cells and small blood vessels and mucous gland and blood platelets and sensory nerve endings and eosinophils. All these cytokinins are affected to the some organs or some cells. It is the type 1 hypersensitivity reaction. It is mediated by the IgE. Second one is the type 2 hypersensitivity reactions. Also, we are called the antibody mediated cytotoxic hypersensitivity reactions. Why? Because here participating in the antibodies and mediate of the cytotoxic cells. That's why we are called the antibody mediated cytotoxic hypersensitivity reactions. It is also same. Type 2 hypersensitivity reactions involved in the antibody mediate. It is the result of the destruction of the cells, means the cell lysis. If the happen in the type 2 hypersensitivity reactions, the cell will undergo the cell lysis. See, it is the diagram of the type 2 hypersensitivity reaction. It is also very easy. See, it is the these biscuit colored cells are called our blood cell, otherwise our target cells. Target cells are the see here green color antigen. These green color antigens. Okay. Then next cytotoxic cells. These cytotoxic cells are the producers some receptors. It is called the Fc receptors. It means it is the mediator from the ADCC. It is the mediator from the ADCC. It means the antibodies dependent on the cell mediate cytotoxicity. After what will happen in this here, when the antigens are bind with these antibodies, automatically the cell will be activations that takes place and the cell produce some cytokinins. These cytotoxic chemicals are entered to our target cell. What will happen after enter into the cell? The target cell will be go the cell lysis. This cell go to the cell lysis. So it is called the complement activation. And one more method also there. Here, and it is the cell lysis. Here it is the cell phagocytosis. Phagocytosis means the target cells are produce the antigens. Target cells means some blood cells have the antigen. The cytotoxic cell, some cytotoxic cells are produce the antibodies in the presence of the CD3. These CD3 like the C complex and this C3 and C3D and these antibodies are bind with the our target cell. When it is bind with the target cell, immunocomplex takes place. After the target cell undergo to the phagocytosis, it is undergo to the phagocytosis. So it is the two types are happen in the type 2 reactions. Already I told you complement activity means the cell lysis takes place, and here the phagocytosis are the AB coated antibodies. It means the cytotoxic cells have the AB coated antibodies. So that's why we are called the AB coated. And here the phagocytosis. Third one, type 3 hypersensitivity reactions also we are called the immunocomplexes mediated reactions. In these reactions of the antibodies with the antigen generate the immunocomplexes. In this mainly in these reactions the antibodies and antigens, two or more antibodies or antigens formed in the immunocomplexes. These complexes these complexes of the antigen with antibodies facilities of the clearance of the antigen by the phagocytic cells. See, it is the diagram. It is the immunocomplex. It is the immunocomplex. I will explain you in the next slide actively, properly. See, it is the whole diagram for the hypersensitivity 3 or type 3 reaction. See, it is the skin. We are injecting the antigens. These antigen bind with the antibodies in the specifically C3b C3b ligands. These green colors are the C3b ligands. These green color are the C3b ligands. When enter when these C3 and these ligands, C3 ligands and antibodies are antigens bind together and formation of the immunocomplex. And this immunocomplex activates the complement system, array of the immunoeffector molecules. These are the C3, these are the C3 and C4 and C5. When the immunocomplex are activations that takes place, automatically produce the C3, C4, C5, C5 and the C5 sorry C3, C4 and C5 complement split the products. These products are effective to the mast cell. These three products effective to the mast cell. The cell takes place degranulation. After the when the mast cells are undergo the degranulation, produce the histamines. This is the blue colors are the histamines, means cytokinins. These histokinins attach to the blood vascular cells of the histamine receptor. Once these histamines are affected to the cells, automatically the vascular damage takes place. See here, the vascular damages are take place after the neutrophils are the enter. Automatically it is inject to the, it is harmful to the skin. It is the type 3 hypersensitivity reaction. It is very easy to understand. And the last one, type 4 or delayed type hypersensitivity, means this result are gives delay. This result are gives more time. That's why we are called the delayed type hypersensitivity. What will happen in the this particular reaction when the some subpopulation of the activated Th cells the encounter of the certain types of the antigen, the secrete of the cytokinin to the induce the localize the inflammatory reactions called the delayed type hypersensitivity reactions. It is a whole diagram for the understanding of the type of reactions. Here what will happen here, the antigen presenting cells are the intracellular bacteria. See this red color, these intracellular bacteria produce the MHSC uh, MHSC molecules. When the formation of the MHSC molecules, it is bind to the T helper cells. When the bind with the TCR of the T helper cell, automatically the T cells are activations are takes place. If the T cells are the activation takes place, the T cell produce the cytokinins. This is the happen in the, this is the reaction in the hypersensitivity reaction. You can keep side. Then effect, what will affect here takes place. What is the effect that takes place here? When the T cell, uh, when the when the T helper cell are bind with the inactive macrophage cells, when bind with the T helper cell, automatically the macrophage or the activation takes place. When the activations are takes place, what will happen in the macrophages? Formation of the MHH2 complexes and TNP receptors, and formation of the oxygen radicals and nitric oxide molecules. These both are affected to the tissues or cells. After the cell will be damaged or the cell lysis takes place. So it is the type of reaction mechanism. I will explain you one more example in the outside from our outside. It is the type 4 hypersensitivity reaction example. Poison oak, it is the toxic dendron, the radicum, it is the one plant. This is the plant produce the toxic chemicals. It is the pentadecatol. These pentadecatol have the some proteins. These proteins enter into the cells via skin. Once they enter into the cells, the antigen presenting cells are takes place, and after formation of the phagocytosis, it is takes into the antigen presenting cells. After the T helper cells bind with the antigen presenting cells. After the TH cells are activation takes place. When the TH cells activation takes place, the IPN and MCFRs are produced. The MCFRs the produce here takes place. This IPNs means the interference. It is the very effective to the our tissue damage, our tissue damages. Uh, After the it is binded, it is activations that takes place of the macrophages. Once the activation of the macrophages, automatically the produces some kind of the cytokinins, some of the nitric oxide radicals. It is the effect to the our tissues and say, and after the cell damages are takes place here, see, vascular systems are damaged and the cell death also takes place or the cell lysis also takes place. It is the best example for the type 4 reactions. So it is the type 4 reaction. And thank you so much for your listening. Please like and share and subscribe it.